these things I'm going to explain all things before start the PPMS. Okay, next see here. So every option we have to fill up all things, because of, see, after finish the PPM service report, so we have to be document perfect. Okay, if not fill up, then it will not be value. Okay, let me start now. Okay, next see here, name of the hospital name you have to mention, district, depend on district, you have to mention department and work order, make, model, asset number, barcode important, and equipment name. Next, model, serial number, and here main physical we have to, what we have to check it. So these things are most important, friends. See, okay, see here, physical checkup. So this is the main important thing, because of if equipment is working or not, so we have to check it. And what are the things important here, mention all things given by our office. Okay, so see here, so physical check it in equipment. So in this PPM checklist, if we compare medical equipments, so based on equipments, different categories are there. So because of PPM also, based on equipment, we have to implement at our work location. Okay, right. So I will say slowly. Okay, listen to carefully. So here, first of all, we have to check the equipment and all things. Internal cleaning done or not done and not available. Okay, here option, internal cleaning, if you done, just tick mark. And next, external cleaning, if you done, tick mark. System self test, if you did it, okay, then done, tick mark. So lubricant, available or not, we have to check it, because of before you have to check these things, you have to know the basic information about the medical equipment. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, if you don't know, just coordinate with your senior and get the things and try to fill the details. Okay, right. Next, calibration test are done or not, space replaced or not. Space replacement, then you have to tick out. Okay, so here particularly mention here, see here, if replaced, mention in spares utilized column. Okay, next, qualitative task. Okay, what are things, these are the quality. Okay, if you do the PPM, that is one of the quality also. Okay, quality of the equipment we have to verify. Okay, next, see here, see, tick question mark where appropriate, wherever needed, then we have to tick out. Okay, so based on equipment only. Okay, listen to carefully, friends, my dear team engineers. Filters in this, for example, we take patient monitor. Okay, so in patient monitor, filters are available or not, so we have to think yes or no. So then you have to check it at done, if available, done, if not available, not done. Okay, next, hose tube leakage. So hose tube leakage also available or not, just once analyze. Okay, yes, because of NIBP are available. Okay, next, cables, power cables, connectors. Next, knob connectors and NIBP connectors and IBP connectors, and whatever available are not done. Motor pump, NIBP motor pump are available in patient monitor, like you have to done. Okay, lamp, lights, bulbs. So because of we are observing on patient monitor, so light blinking, all things we can see here in front of the panel. Okay, so those are right or not. Keypad switches, expiratory valve available or not, not available at patient monitor. Yes, these are available in ventilator. Okay, water trap, not available. Next, alarm available, because of whenever operating the patient monitor, because of alarm is the most important at the medical sector, and especially in ICUs, because of based on alarms, with a high come and low come, medium come, then patient will be alert and nurse will be alert. Okay, right. Next, audio signal available or not, net display, electrodes, transducers, power supply, and electronic board, fuse, compressor not available in patient monitor. Next, other things. So these we have to think all things and we have to tick out. And next thing is safety check, because of safety check is most important, first priority, because of, see, medical equipment, this safety check not good, then equipment will be damaged. Yes or no? Yes, because of all components are based on some particular values, specifications. So that's why DC will become electrical voltage, how much we have to see, check it. Okay, power okay or not, just done, tick it. Okay, next, power cord, okay. Next, plug top, okay. Next, leakage current, just we have to check all things by using multimeter. Okay, right. Next, wheel movement or not, wheel movement, patient monitor not available, so whatever equipment available, just we have to mention done. That is ventilator, for example, ventilator. Okay, next, balancing or not. So next, balancing means what, because of when patient monitor when on the wall, so that is fixed or not, everything available or not, we have to check it. Okay, next, battery condition good or not, how much voltage come, you have to verify. Next, ground level earthing is most important because of safety means these sector most important to the quality of the medical equipment. We can save the breakdown. Okay. Next, power supply voltage. So these are basic things we know very well, all things, but we have to mention all things. Neutral, how much, and phase neutral earthing. These things most important because of these are the only many chances to break the equipment. Okay. Next, engineers remarks notes. Here we have to write only done the ppm as per the checklist and hand over to user in working condition. If you done the properly, then you have to write here and mention all things. Okay, these are all document purpose. As an engineer, we have to communicate with customers. This is only how to fill up the service report, ppm checklist, how to fill up all things. Okay. Next, status completed, pending, and preponed and postponed and accepted for use or not accepted. Because of, see, if you done the ppms, then no problem. If you not done, then if any problem because of some equipment not found and not working, some issues are there, then we cannot finish the ppms. Then you have to here write. So after now we found the equipment not working, after replacing after resolving the issue, we will come back to the department and we will do the services and provide it successfully. So you have to mention in this way. Okay. Next, here see, so these all things we are using our daily service report. So the general things, the ppm is not different. Okay. Here see, description and part number, quantity and source, spares utilized. If you spares here, see here, if you replace the space, then you have to mention here only. Okay. So please find out the all options wherever you are. If you get any doubt, just you can call me and I will guide you at work location. Okay, thank you so much. And one more thing I have to say here, complete date and ppm date. So these all things, before you have to check what I have to do, you know, ppm checklist, we have to check it. Let me verify now. Sorry for disturbance. This is our ppm check. Once we have to take. Okay, this is our ppm checklist. So we have to check, first of all, if you go the department and check the barcode and all things available or not. We have to check one thing and then just stick out if working. Then after you have to stick the stickers like this. Wait, like this ppm sticker. This is our ppm sticker provided by our office, AOV International LLP. So here we have to mention barcode number and ppm 1, ppm 2, because of ppm having two schedules, because of per year two schedules based on equipments, 6 months 6 months. So ppm 1 is if you done 10, next 12 will come, 10 12 24 like. So you have to mention and stick this sticker, have to paste on the equipment wherever possible to appear. Okay. Next, this one, finally, after if you do all things, then you have to service report, fill up the all details, and next you have to give your signature and customer signature. And before leave the department, you have to say very clearly to all within charge. Okay, because of you have to explain this. So ma'am, we came here, we received the list from our office as per ppm checklist. So we checked all things and you've done it. And further coming, if any complaints, just approach me. So you have to finish this in this way. Okay, you have to fill up the service report. Thank you so much. We are going to do the ppms. This one is ICU machine, ventilator. Now we are going to see the asset. Okay. Next, multimeter na, like we have to set AC. So next, see here, like we have to check here how much power coming or not. मल्टीमीटर में दिखाना, इधर भी दिखाना. Right, good idea. Right, how much voltage coming? 230, 229. Okay, so we have to check in this way. Next, next, wait. इक्विपमेंट का जो कंडीशन है ना, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ये वाला, दिस वन फिल्टर. So we have to check this one filter, and like this is the filter, this dust also. See here how much dust we find here. Like again we have to keep in this way. Understand? Next we have to check overline and air compressor, and this one fixed or not, and we have to check all things. Next, this one is flow sensor, we have to check this one also, like this. Next, we have to check on power buttons and all things. First of all, equipment condition looking good or not, so we have to see it here. Okay, good. Next, we have to operate. Complete switch off, and now we restart the ventilator system. It will getting on. Just we have to wait. Just we have to operate, wait up to rebooting the system. So regarding this ventilator, we have to check one by one, and keyboard and panel are all good or not, we have to check it. And because of out of the part, we have to check the machine first of all. Okay, next this one. So next, see here, up to wait because of still rebooting, and mute. Next, asset. Next we have to check asset. So this asset, which one? 699. Here we can find here 699 details are same. Okay, now working fine. So now we have to write like schedule, ppm schedule 10/6/24 to 10/12/24. Next, see here. Next, operating knob, and this one operating functioning or not. So see here already option selected like this, whatever options are okay. So now display is okay. So next, again come back, and we have to select, so all thing is okay, fine. Next, come back to home menu. Next, restart this lay 1, lay 2, lay 3. So let's start ventilation. So ventilation, then in this ventilation purpose we have to start the test lung. So by using this test lung, we have to check this one because of this one also problem. Yes, okay. Next, okay. Now we have to keep standby like this. So mission is working or not, we have to check all things, and calibration and auto calibration. So we have to check, and by using test lung we have to test pass also. Okay, so these all things after done. Just if it is any error coming, external flow sensor failed because of we didn't attach the flow sensor to this patient circuit. Okay, so like one by one, and here also see, you can hear these are the valves like this. You have to open and close it, and these all things you have to check, and these are external parts. You have to check the equipment details, okay, and physically. And just if any leaking test, then we have to check just this one. Okay, now getting alarm, why flow sensor we didn't connect and tubing not connected, so that's why message. Okay, right, now switch off. Now standby. Now this one you have to select it. See here, right, that is standby. Okay, next if you want to pre-check, so like this you have to check all things in a tight witness. So in this ventilation, any ventilator you have to check in all modes, so these things. Okay, next, anything if you want to check the ventilator, then you have to take the test lung and circuit, patient circuit, and flow sensor properly. So just we have to test the pass, then only machine is working condition fine. And here battery replace required, so battery needed, so we have to mention here. Okay, right.